Well, this is day 7, so the start of it. We had our first wild camp last night. Not 100% successful, but it was quite good. Not as comfortable as hotel beds. Well, now we have to pack up. All packed up and ready to go.
Good morning, everyone.
I think it's, 6:40? Some ungodly hour like that.
And we couldn't find a powered site here, so our batteries are all flat. We got a little bit in one with the solar panel charger that we had, but yes, navigation, we're going to have to be very careful until we find a McDonald's or something where we can charge up all of our equipment.
And this canal is the Canal du Rhône au Rhin, or HIN, so it's... Good morning again. Another beautiful, beautiful day. About 7 in the morning, and we've just left our wild camping spot. First time I've done that on this trip, so it was all fine, good, left everything perfectly clear. We came down one of the canals, the Rhône, the Rhine. There's so many of them that we're getting confused. And we're on our way to Basel, or Basel, we don't know how to pronounce it yet.
Switzerland?
And it's about 90 kilometres, so not sure we'll make it today. Our problem is long weekend accommodation. We haven't booked because it's very hard to know how far you can cycle.
Yes, it is, as Anne said, it's a beautiful day here again today. We've started really early this morning, about 6:30, 6:45, and we're travelling down along the Eurovella 15 to Basel on the border of Switzerland and France, and then we're going to be heading north-east along the Eurovella 6, which we travelled across France the other way, westwards, about 8 or 10 years ago. So we're heading up towards Vienna, and then once we reach Salzburg in Austria, we're heading south over the Alps and down into Italy and perhaps Croatia. Okay, wish us luck.
Still on our way to Basel, down on the canal. Beautiful houses, sunny day, farmers are out, so are the cyclists. It's all good. Nice garden. Here we are down by the canal again, and a lady in the house here was selling some plants, and we spotted this seat, so we sat down, and she's got iced water. There's a little donation box, but to be honest, it's well worth it. Beautiful spot. Can you hear the water? This is a little video of one of the toilets. We just thought it was so cute. It smells amazing. And a real treat to find. Better put the seat down. So this is probably where we're going to have lunch.
Down now.
Yeah, and that's where the little toilet was. I think everyone's Roger. Well, we've just gone through a little village, and then we're surrounded by agriculture, and in the middle, basketball pitch. Court, of course. I'm back on the cricket. Yeah, so we're just surmising here. We're thinking, well, maybe there's a famous basketball person and he's donated. It's just a strange place to have a
Well, the farmers
court.
donated the land for the youth.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, well, he'll need to get some water. Oh, this looked really strange from the distance. Here we are. We've got corn. I guess for fodder feed or something. And then over here, got corn planted for this year. Huge areas. Well, that's the sweet corn from a distance. Huge. So if anyone can tell me what they do, maybe they give them fodder. Don't know. Just so massive.